Good morning to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Chrome Hearts Heart in a Band ring that I proxied using Zen Market from Allu, Japan. Yeah, it's not often, but here we are at a jewelry unboxing, guys. Chrome Hearts piece number 4 as well. So, as you know, I have the Cemetery ring, the classic oval ring, the JoJo's earring. I've unboxed them all on the channel before. I'm obviously not wearing the JoJo's earring, although I should. It's a very, very nice earring. And now we're here at piece number 4, the Heart in Band ring, or Heart in a Band ring. I don't know, it's called one of the two. I picked this piece up from Allu, Japan. They are a boutique in Japan that sells designer secondhand goods. As it's their mission statement. They've talked about on their website that they want to reduce the waste of the fashion industry, so they want to offer an easy shopping experience for buying secondhand designer goods. And they do. They offer an awesome service. It was really easy to shop with them. I have been following their Chrome Hearts section for a while just to see if anything, comes up in a Japanese between size 20 and 23.5. So that's around a US 9 to 11. Because, that's what my fingers are, obviously. And yeah, I was kind of on the hunt for something that was love or heart themed to put on my ring finger of my left hand. Originally I was going to go with the heart and the dagger ring, but I couldn't find one in a Japanese 20, or at least I couldn't find one at a good price. I think I did find one that was a Japanese 20, but it was covered in diamonds, and then it was like thousands of dollars, and I was like, I'm alright, I don't need a diamond one. I just want a normal sterling silver one. So yeah, no luck with the heart and the dagger, but while I was going through Allu, yeah, a heart and a band ring propped up in a size 20. And yeah, I decided to pick it up as a size 20 fits my ring finger, because as you can see here, this classic oval is a size Japanese 20, and when I place it on the same finger on the other hand, well, it ain't coming off anytime soon. So yeah, I went with a 20 based off that because, this is the same size and it fits this finger quite well. So hopefully this size 20 should fit. But yeah, let's unbox it, guys. Let's check out how this Chrome Hearts Heart in a Band ring turned out. Now, I picked up this secondhand little goodie here using Zen Market. Allu does offer a proxying service for international customers with World Shopping, but I went through World Shopping just to see what their fees are like, and they charge 10% of the item's value as their fee. And I was like, yo, 10%? You gotta be joking. I'm just gonna go back to my boys at Zen Market that charged me $3 per item. 10%? You're crazy. They must be making big money over there at World Shopping with that kind of fee structure, but yeah, jeez, God. So yeah, if you want to proxy something, guys, from Japan, use Zen Market. It costs you $3 per item, and then obviously you just pay for the shipping fees and stuff, because yeah, 10% is absolutely wild. Yeah, I decided to pick it up from Allu as well because their pricing is really good on Chrome Hearts pieces. Even though they're secondhand, they don't put a huge, I guess, hype tax on it because Chrome Hearts is really hot at the moment, or is, at least hot. I don't know if it's really hot at the moment, I don't really care. But yeah, so the pricing was really good. And that's why I ended up going with them. So we'll just get this out of the little box that Zen Market has shipped this in. There we go. Okay. This is falling everywhere. Okay. There we go. So, in a little box here, no surprise. Pull this one out. Put that. They marked it as fragile as well, and I was like, you know what? It's sterling silver. Maybe it is fragile. Although, I mean, sterling silver's not the softest metal out there, but I suppose it can take a little bit of a beating and look pretty ugly after a while. So here we are. Here's the, oh, well, you probably got to see it too well, but there you go. There's the ring. We'll get it out. This design was first manufactured in 1995, I think it is. So it uses the old Chrome Hearts font on the back of the ring. So not the font that's I think from the 2000s onwards. So it's not going to look like this or the Symmetry ring. It's going to have an older font in it. Let's get this little bad boy out. Unfortunately, no suede bag from Allu, but it is what it is. I'm not hugely fussed about not getting a bag. It's a second-hand item. I wasn't gonna get like a receipt or a suede bag or anything like that, but I'll bring the design up to the camera as close as I can. Now you are gonna notice little, you know, like dings here and there because it is second-hand, but I actually kind of like my Chrome Hearts pieces dinged up. Although I gotta say, I can see my reflection in it, so the silver's really shiny. Must have polished it before sending it to me. So here is the design. I'll bring it up to the camera as best I can. There we go. The little Chrome Hearts heart motif in the center there. Nothing else on the band, and the band gets thinner as we head to the back area. You can see how reflective it is. Look at that silver. You can see, like, wow, the reflection is crazy. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see the engravings. I'll try and showcase it to you the best I can there. But as you can see, it's the old Chrome Hearts font. Chrome Hearts, 1995, sterling. It'll either say sterling, 925, yada yada yada, to showcase that it is sterling silver. I love the little design on it. I think it just works perfectly for the, you know, the finger that I'm going to put it on. And it's a nice small little ring. It's not like my big chunkier ones that I have on my right hand. Something a little bit smaller. I reckon I'll probably get like a couple scroll bands or something and put them on the bottom and top of this ring, just to, I guess, fill up my finger a little bit. But we'll chuck it on and have a look at how it looks on finger. Yeah, exactly as I thought. This is a 20, this is a 20. It was gonna fit like that. It's not coming off. Exactly how I want it. But I'll showcase it to you on hand there, guys, the best I can. There it is. And yeah, as I mentioned, it is secondhand, so we can see some little damages here and there on the side where it's obviously been dinged and someone's, I don't know if it'll showcase too well. Yeah, you can see it's been scratched there. But hey, for the price that they were asking, definitely not complaining about it. It's a nice little ring. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on it though, there guys. But that's it unboxed. The Chrome Hearts heart in a band ring. I like it. I guess it's like quite different from the other Chrome Hearts rings. Like normally there's a lot more going on around the band and stuff like this, but this one, the design's simply just on the heart itself. So yeah, I'll see if I can showcase it to you again. It's very, very shiny, so the light's kind of not, I mean, it is showcasing the detail, I suppose, but yeah. Woo! Piece number 4, there we go. The heart in a band ring. Okay, so what's the next one that I'm after? Probably the classic oval star. I really want to get that for this finger and then move my symmetry to my thumb. But yeah, a 23.5 in the classic oval star is really hard to come by. So yeah, I'll just have to keep on going on the hunt, guys. I'm trying to buy them secondhand. Obviously, I'm Australian, so we don't have a Chrome Hearts store down here in the land down under. So I always have to go to secondary market sources to try and pick them up. But yeah, I'll see what comes up. If I like it, I'll pick it up. If not, I'll leave it. But hopefully I can get like, yeah, the classic oval star, maybe the heart and the dagger ring for a different finger. I don't know, we'll have to see. Yeah, but back to the heart and the band. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on it now that I've unboxed it. What are your thoughts? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it a bit too dainty for you? Or are you like, you know what? That's a nice little ring. I don't know. Let me know how you feel about it down in that comment section below. Well, yeah, that's it unboxed, guys. It's not as extravagant as like a new sweater or something, so I can't like showcase it on body, but like, you know, because I can only go, yeah, have a look. But I mean, it is the start to my left hand, and I would love to eventually fill all my fingers up with Chrome Hearts pieces, but only pieces that I want, because there is a lot of Chrome Hearts rings that I think are just kind of eh. I really like their medieval, like their really medieval motif stuff, like the classic oval stuff and things like that. But yeah, if anything that I like comes along in my size, I'll definitely be picking it up and unboxing it on the channel. Again, I'm on the hunt for the the classic oval star for my, I don't know, pointing finger. I really want to get the, is it the Fleur spinner? The spinner ring. I'd love to get a US 11 and chuck that on this thumb. There's one on Grailed at the moment, but I don't know, the price. I'm on the fence. If it was a little bit cheaper, I'd be like, ooh, but it's, yeah, I'm on the fence about that one. I'm sure I'll find another one that's maybe a little bit cheaper, maybe a bit more dinged up. Yeah, we'll just have to see. I'll buy them as they come. If they come along in my size, I'll pick them up. But yeah, not hugely stressed about it. If it comes along, it comes along. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I've got what I've got, and I'm very happy with what I've got. So I'll hopefully be adding more to the collection at some point in the future. Maybe a necklace, something like that. We'll just have to see how it all goes. But yeah, as for piece number 4, the heart in the band ring, which, I mean, I'll try and showcase it the best I can. As I said, camera's going to be a little bit fussy about it. There we go. Love that little heart motif. That heart motif is awesome. They don't use it a lot. They use it, yeah, very sparingly. I wish they used the heart motif more. It's an awesome piece, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on it, on, you know, maybe this piece in particular, if you're a fan of it or not, or what Chrome Hearts pieces you're on the hunt for. I'd love to, you know, have that conversation with you guys in the comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to unbox more pieces that I pick up, you just got to give me the 3 indicators I'm always asking you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and of course, the best indicator you can give me is to subscribe to the channel. Now this month, the month of May 2022, we are trying to aim for a new subscriber milestone as well of 3,345 subscribers. We're less than 5 subs off, so hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we can reach that milestone before the end of May. All I've really got to say, guys, it's unboxed. I would definitely recommend checking out Allu. They've got some really nice pieces at some really nice prices. I would definitely recommend using Zen Market to pick up from them though, because $3 versus 10%, you know, it's really going to make that difference. But yeah, solid all around. Definitely going to use both of those services in the future. If another piece comes along, I'll definitely be picking up from them. But until the next Chrome Hearts video, until the next unboxing video, until the next Streetwear Talk video in general, guys, I'll catch you later.